And the number one reason to take an overnight rafting trip is time to truly disconnect. We live in a world that is so full of distraction and stress. And often when we take a vacation, we don't have a chance to truly disconnect. We stay plugged in. We're constantly distracted by incoming messages, emails, texts, whatever it might be. There are so few locations you can go in the world today that give you the chance, almost force you to disconnect, to leave it behind. And an overnight rafting trip is one of those. It gives you the opportunity not only to reconnect in a deeper way with those you're traveling with, but to reconnect with yourself and to truly connect to nature around you. It's a time to recalibrate and to re-energize. You'll come back from an overnight rafting trip feeling like a new person. It's something in today's world that is truly needed. So when you're thinking about your next vacation, make it an overnight rafting trip.